In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Gameloop on your PC or laptop so that you can play mobile games here on your PC. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, just because it does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But once again, if you don't know what Gameloop is, it's essentially an Android emulator that lets you play pretty much any mobile game on your PC or on your laptop. To get started, you're going to want to go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this, but you could use whatever you'd like, and just search for Gameloop and hit enter. The very first option is going to be the website, so go ahead and select that, and then up at the very top you're going to have a download option. Select that download option and it's going to immediately begin downloading the installer onto your computer. Go ahead and click on the installer and then hit install. It's going to take a little bit, but then they're going to get loaded into the game after completing the installation process. And from here, you're immediately going to be loaded into your library. This is going to be a good way for you to see all the games that you can download. If you're looking for something in specific, you can search it right here. But in my case, I just made a video on Call of Duty Mobile. And so I have Call of Duty Mobile installed, and so I could just hit open right here. But if you want to download something like Plants vs. Zombies, you'd want to go ahead and hit install here, and it immediately begin installing. Once you're ready to play whatever game you would like, simply go ahead and hit open from this library again. It's going to go ahead and start opening up in a different Gameloop tab. As you can see, it's saying the anti-cheating system is currently in force right now. And boom, we are now loading in to whatever mobile game we wanted to play. So in my case, this was Call of Duty Mobile, but this could be anything for you. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It genuinely does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.